extend a hand of forgiveness to Dr. Chiza Besigye to be able to serve the nation like how other historicals are doing.
And the point is that today we have not only come to mourn the passing, but to celebrate the life of a man who left a lasting imprint on the lives of many. For me, this is deeply personal. I have known James for close 60 years, and ours was a bond born of youth, tested by struggles of our times, and strengthened by shared experiences and mutual respect.
There has been a lot of testimony about this great man. When I interacted with James, 1980, when, as you have heard from Nduguamama Mbabazi, we formed the Uganda Patriotic Movement. Many of us were young people and not so rich. It required a young man in his 20s, James Musinzi, financed many of us in the campaigns. He helped lay a powerful foundation against dictatorship, against tyranny, and his ideas continued, and that's why he supported the Bush War, and that's why I believe he has had different political views on some controversial issues.
Now we have started again. So Mama and the family, I affirm that transaction will be completed if it has not yet been completed. Because I knew Garuga's death bare about 2 days, because I was away. He died when I was away. So, our apologies, our condolences as a government. We have lost a pillar. Garuga has got a number of enterprises. He is employing quite many younger Ugandans, and that man we really praise him. Mama, I would have wished to come to Kanungu to say farewell of this man right in front of me here. But state matters cannot allow me. I have been deployed